Hi guys, I bought this washing machine on Amazon. Portable dish machine. So I put the soap and I close, I turn off, I choose economy and the time. So when I go in start, look, start, the machine doesn't work. I don't know why. This machine worked one time just. We make installation today. Everything's okay. Yeah. Water. You can see. But I don't know why. This machine doesn't work anymore. So I wrote to the Zen Life on Amazon, and I will wait for answer. I hope they can replace for another new one and can work very good, the new one, because this new one here didn't work anymore. Okay, this is a proof that I will send for Amazon for they see that the machine didn't work anymore. Okay, bye bye.